Today I made about 200% thriving, and I even made more than that because I now closed above it later some hours ago, which was now about probably 500% or so, something like that. Hi guys, welcome to Crypto 101. My name is Ahmed Oladimeji Kazim, and this is the Bitcoin and Breakfast Show, where we trade it and we don't gamble it. And today, something is blowing up the internet. I'm telling you that. You need to check out what's going on in the NFT world, where we have an NFT sold for 400 ETH. You can't believe that. I couldn't believe my eyes too. Though we have numbers more than that. But this was just a pudgy penguins and sold for that amount. Probably because it was just facing the other side, or because it's different from other ones. Because when I checked the other one, I found out that they were facing, I think, the left, and this one is facing the right, or they were facing the right, excuse me, and this one is facing the left. But all I can say that an NFT was sold for a whooping sum amount of 600 and something K, and that has been blowing up the internet. Welcome to the show again, and today I have a lot of news to share with you again when we check out the news shortly, and I'm also going to check the chart analysis. I'm also going to check the chart analysis for you guys to see what is going on in the crypto space, especially talking about Bitcoin, Ethereum, and some of the altcoins. But without no further ado, let's check what's going on in the market first, which are the news that are making the headline. Like I said, the pudgy penguins sold for 400K on Ethereum blockchain yesterday, or let me say some hours ago, and it's been making a whole lot of news. That's why I'm telling you, NFT is crazy. The space is just so wonderful. But there are a lot of projects that are not up to anything out there. So you need to be careful when you're putting your money on anything NFT. But at the same time, like I told you on our previous episode, you need to know the roadmap, know the people behind the project, know what is your vision and mission before you can invest your money on it. I've got some NFT also, but it's not financial advice. I'm just telling you, you need to be careful. But as we see, a pudgy penguins was sold for, this thing you see right here, was sold for 440 ETH, about 600 and something K, maybe 630K to be precise, dollars. That's what just this piece of art was sold for. You get what I'm trying to say? And I think this is big. For pudgy penguins that's been on the price for 4 ETH, and now sold for 40 ETH. That is big. Now, moving on to the next news. Argentina presidential candidate sued over alleged crypto Ponzi scam. Like I used to tell you, on this channel, this is where you get the best of the best. And if you've not subscribed to this channel, you need to do that now. Subscribe, like, share, and put on the notification bell so you can get the first class information as we're dropping the content on this channel. Presidential candidate sued over alleged Ponzi scheme. A presidential candidate in Argentina has been sued for conducting a Ponzi scheme in the crypto. It's still the same thing we've been preaching on this channel. Before you put your money on any project, you need to do your own research, or you need to know what the market or whatever coin you're putting your money on is all about. To me, Bitcoin is still the king, and crypto is here to stay. Let's check another news quickly that's making headline. Telegram CEO proposed auctioning usernames links as NFTs. You see, everyone is now trying to put their stuff on the markets for NFTs. Like I told you, NFTs are non-fungible tokens. It's just a piece of something. Then you put it on blockchain with an ID, and you can start trading it. If everybody likes it, it keeps going up. If they don't like it, it keeps going down. Just like other coins you see on cryptocurrencies as well. If Bitcoin, people buying it, shoot up. If they're not buying it, it comes down. That's just what it's all about. NFT might be the future, but I feel like a lot of bubbles still in the game, just like cryptocurrency. And I believe we need to be careful when we put in our money on any project or any cryptocurrency. Also, another news making the waves is crypto sell-off due to Fed hawkishness, possible jump dump of ETH, says the QC Capital crypto declined slightly in Monday trading. Yeah, we've been saying it ever since that crypto is going to drop. By the way, you can check out my video that I dropped yesterday, how I made 200% while driving. That's how it's so easy on this channel. How you can make a lot of money if you subscribe to this channel. If you join the greatness that's happening on this channel. This is Crypto Be 101. The name of the show is the Bitcoin and Breakfast Show. Now, crypto asset trading firm QCP Capital will be hiring remark later this week by U.S. Central Bank shared your report for their potential effect on digital asset market. And I think we need to be careful because I think there's going to be a poem speech later this week. We're still going to check that out on the fundamental news to know when it's going to be talking, because I feel like the inflation, the interest rate, and a lot of things has been happening. People are looking for what or where they can hedge their fund against inflation. Some say Bitcoin, some say gold, some maybe real estate, but I still believe in cryptocurrency and I believe in Bitcoin. So we need to watch out for that this week. Another news making the headline is Bitcoin won't edge inflation until it hits 1 billion wallets. Oh, one of the crypto influencers is trying to say Bitcoin will not be properly be a hedge for inflation until it hits 1 billion wallets. You and I can make that happen, but I believe crypto is still the future. No matter what anybody tells me, I believe so much in crypto and I believe it's the future. There's so much bubble going on. There's so much bubbles going on. There's so much things happening in the crypto space. But joining this kind of a channel where we give you the first class information and let you know this is right, this is not right, is going to help you a lot. That's why you need to subscribe, like, share, and don't forget to put on the notification bell so you can get the first class information as we bring it to your view every day. Okay, that's on the news. And let's check what's happening in the fundamental space right now before we check the chart out, because I know that's what a lot of you are waiting for, to know if you're to buy Bitcoin now or to sell Bitcoin now or to stay out of the market, because sometimes patience is the key when you're trading. You don't need to rush it, because sometimes when you're rushing, you could be rushed out. So now on the fundamental news today, like I said yesterday, nothing much was happening in the market. But today's Tuesday, let's check. We're going to have some news coming up, PMI coming up in Europe. We're going to have manufacturing PMI, CBI industrial order expectations. We're going to have flash service PMI. It's just all about PMI today in the news. And tomorrow, we're going to have the core durable goods. We're going to have penny home sales to know how in the property space, how things are working out. And on Thursday, we're going to have a look at ECB monetary policy. That's important. We're going to have unemployment claims. We're going to have Jackson Hole Simpson. A lot of people are waiting for that to hear what's going to happen. I believe that's why Bitcoin is still ranging to make a decision if it's going to continue going back up or continue to deep down low. Excuse me. And on Friday, we're going to have RBNZ government speak. I think just a speech. We're going to have core PCI price index. We're going to have Fred Powell speaks. And that is very important. You understand? That is very important. That's what I was talking about that we need to look out for. So it's going to happen on Friday. So we just need to be careful in the market. But we'll get to that shortly to analyze what is going to happen in the market this week, tomorrow, or the nearest future. All right, that's on the fundamental news. And also, let's check the charts now. I think the chart is looking good. I think the chart is not bad. Like I told you yesterday, I made about 200% driving. and I even made more than that because I now closed above it later, some hours ago, which was now about probably 500% or so, something like that. But now, according to the structure, I told you that Bitcoin falling to our projected price point has been achieved, and which is 27.5760 thereabout. And now we have a structure which I like this. When I see this, I'm very, very careful because I know we might have a bullish trend probably in a short time or in a long time. You can't say. So now we have a nice structure. We have our first yellow. Like I told you, on this channel, we're still going to be teaching you how to trade in colors. Nobody has ever done that. Only on this channel you're going to see something like that. So we have our first yellow. We're having the second yellow right now. And now we're having a structure under the structure, which is nice, which I like it. So now, if you're going to ask me what's going to happen to Bitcoin right now, I think you need to have a sell stop. A sell stop below 2,900 and a buy stop above 21,480 to 500. I think that's it. That's what I feel is going to happen in this market, because we are between what we call break it or make it. And you can see from my charts, we've not been able to break where the market start pushing up from. And this structure, once it happen like this and the market pull back like this, it's a good signal for me. I'm not talking about other strategy, but for one of the strategies I'm using. When you pull back like that and we have another pullback like this, I'm expecting market to push higher a bit more, even though it's going to come down. But like I said, when you're trading, you need to use your risk management. You need to know the lot size you're buying. You need to know how much is how am I going to put it? How much is okay for you to take a lot size so you don't blow your account? Those are things you need to learn from us, and you can learn it on this channel, or you can go to www.instacashfx.com and apply for free training, whereby they call you in batches and train you for free, guys. You understand? So I think that's on Bitcoin. If you want to know much about the in-depth of the chart, we do that on our segment called Let's Trade It, and it's still on this channel. And that's why you need to subscribe, like, and share, and put on the notification bell, because anytime I can come online and give you what's happening in the market, or tell you buy now, sell now, stay out of the market. So you don't want to miss that. Do you get what I'm saying? You do not want to miss that. So you need to join the channel now, subscribe, and share the channel for a lot of people, because as the channel grows, we have big surprises we will be giving out to you guys. Like I told you, it's a new channel, but it's going to be the biggest channel in Africa, if not in the world. I promise you that. So right now, Bitcoin is trading at 21,257, which I believe it's still a buy for me, because create the structure, didn't break the lower structure, it's creating another one. I believe Bitcoin should go a little bit higher. But in case you want to stay safe, probably you're not an experienced trader, what I think you should do is have a buy stop above 21,500 and have a sell stop below 20,950, and use your risk management when you're taking a trade. I think that's that on BTC. We're going to throw more light at it later on the channel as the market moves. Then we'll let you know. Now let's quickly check ETH and see what's going on ETH, as we normally do every day. ETH, wow, beautiful. ETH bounced back at 1524. Now it's creating a kind of structure that I like, more or less like Bitcoin. So I think ETH also, if you want to get into the market now, you need to have a sell stop above 1640 and a sell stop below 1520 and a buy stop above 1640. I bet you that's the trade you need to take if you're ready to go in now. But if you're an experienced trader, you can use the structure and stuff like that to get into the market the market, and don't forget your risk reward is very, very important. So I think that's on ETH. I think we can check out let's see altcoin we could check out. Let's check out XRP. Let's check out XRP quickly. Okay, after XRP has dropped to 0.33, it's been ranging. Yeah, it's been ranging, which you like. And if you're looking to bank your money in XRP, I think you just need to wait and see if it's going to go below 0.33 or it's going to go above 0.34. So you can stick to the channel. Put comment down below the comment section if you want us to choose some altcoins to analyze for you. But these are just what we're seeing in the market and we're sharing it with you. And this is not financial advice anyway, but it's just what we're doing and we're making cool cash. So that's on the altcoin we're looking at today. So let's quickly check what's trending. SafeMoon exchange is trending, and I love that. SafeMoon is doing something great. They're trying to launch an exchange whereby you can exchange SafeMoon to some coins, because they are not on what's it called? They are not on some exchanges already. So they're trying to make themselves an altcoin. So they've created a kind of exchange for themselves. It's under processing testing, but I think it's a big development for SafeMoon. And if you're looking to grab that before it becomes big, you can go and get some SafeMoon for yourself. But I don't have any of it because I need to see the project, or I need to see how big or the thing they're doing is valuable, verifiable, and reliable before I put my money on it. I told you on this channel, we don't just tell you do this, do that. We give you first class information. What we're doing is what we tell you to do, because we experience in the market and we're using that to guide you so you don't lose your money, you don't fall into wrong's end, you don't invest in a project that's just going to waste your money forever. So you need to stick to this channel, subscribe, like, share, and click on the notification bell so you can get the first class information as we drop it. This is Bitcoin and Breakfast Show. So SafeMoon is trending, Bitcoin is trending, of course, because Bitcoin dropped, now rallying, and I believe we're going to have an uptrend if it doesn't break the 2750 thereabout, because the structure has been laying out already, which I'm going to take some trade and I'll share with you guys later today. Bitcoin is trending, SafeMoon is trending. I think the Pudgy Penguin should be trending, XRP is trending, so you need to check out for all of that. And please, you can comment down below this video and tell me if buying this for 40 ETH is worth it. About $600 and something thousand was just put on this thing you're seeing on my screen. So comment down in the comment section. Let's have an interaction and know if it's worth it, if this guy or whoever bought it will be able to sell it for a higher amount in the future. No one knows. But API is doing nice, CryptoPunk is doing nice, even though a lot of them fell off. But I think the more they fall, the more you can grab them if NFT is going to be something in the future. Not financial advice anyway, but we're just telling you, you need to be careful and things we're doing in the crypto space, because crypto is the future. I haven't said a shout out to our sponsor, Instacash FX. Shout out to our sponsor, Instacash FX, for sponsoring the show, the Bitcoin and Breakfast Show on this channel. And if you want to sell your Bitcoin, you want to buy your Bitcoin, you can contact them, you can WhatsApp them, you can make your order online, and I bet you will be credited immediately. No delays. They're trusted, reliable, and efficient. So that's that and that. If you've not subscribed to our channel, you can see all the videos. You can go right now and subscribe. We're growing so fast. The channel is barely a week plus, and we're on 83 subscribers, and we've got so many views on our videos. You can see how good and valuable this channel is. So you need to go right now and subscribe to you. Thank you for hanging with me. My name still remains Ahmed Oladimeji Kazim, and this is Bitcoin and Breakfast Show episode 8, where we trade it and we don't gamble it. Until I catch you tomorrow in the morning again, Stay blessed, stay out of trouble, and think crypto. I'm telling you, think crypto, because crypto is the future. Peace.